Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more fancy Litchi based mocktail, and mocktail name is the Litchi Island. Very simple mocktail you can try. First of all, take a shaker glass and add some ice cube. You can stir in the water also. Okay, take a shaker glass and add ice cube. Then you have to pour 5 to 10 ml of lime juice. Then you have to pour 20 ml of lychee grass. After that, you have to pour 5 to 10 ml of ginger syrup. Then shake all the ingredients properly. Then take a fancy or tall glass and pour all the mixture into the fancy glass. Then slowly you have to pour green apple syrup. Okay. Then you have to pour granite syrup. Sorry, green apple syrup. After that, take a small decanter and add some blue cocoa syrup. Yes, 2 to 3 ml of blue cocoa syrup. Before that, you can serve the mocktail with tears, and you can serve it with raw. Okay, and add some soda. Okay, after that, slowly you have to pour the mixture on top. See, your mocktail is ready. Then you can serve the mocktail with mint leaf, and you can garnish the mocktail with lime slices or orange slices. Yes. So your fancy mocktail is ready. Okay, this is the Litchi Island mocktail, very fancy mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video.